Hi, Dr. Jonathan Pino from Noble Choice Chiropractic, and we're going to talk a little bit today about how chiropractic specifically helps with posture. You see, you can go online, there's a million devices you can buy to help with your posture. It's all about trying to stretch muscles, but before you can even get to that point, the underlying structure of your body has to be able to take that stretch in and make a change. And so what I'm saying is that the underlying part, your skeletal system, your bones, if that part isn't able to change, no matter how much you work around it, you can't get that desired effect that you want with your posture. And so when we look specifically at your spine here, when most people are thinking about posture, they're thinking about sitting at a desk and the head's going forward, the shoulders are rolled forward. What that looks like in normal here with the spine is that you have this nice reverse C-shaped curve in through the spine. Now, this spine is nice and pliable, it's nice and mobile, it's healthy. So when you look at it, everything's nice and healthy in through here. But what happens over time is we start to have degeneration occur. You see, we can go from a nice joint that looks like this, everything's nice and smooth, these ridges through here are smooth, the disc space is nice and thick through here, the opening right here, this IVF where the nerve is exiting your spine, that's what's going to all the organs, telling everything in your body what to do. It's nice and open. But over time, if I just go to the most severe case so you can see better, what we start to see is that that hole there, it changes. It starts to get smaller. There's a smaller area for where that nerve exits. When we look at it from the front now, we have all these bone spurs in the front, and that disc space, it's almost gone. This joint, it's just so locked up, it can hardly move. You can't change your posture well if this is what's going on internally. The joint doesn't want to move, it's locked up. And so what we have to do with chiropractic in order to help with posture is we've got to go in and adjust the joint wherever it's locked up specifically, and then when the joint's freed up, the joint's moving how it's supposed to, then you can do everything else on top of it to change your posture. But it has to start from the ground level. The most important is the structural part of the body, and that's the spine. And so when we look at it, the chiropractic adjustment is very specific to wherever it's subluxated, it's locked up, it's not moving. And once we get that joint to move properly, the movement patterns are working properly, then everything else around it works better. And so that's how Noble Choice Chiropractic, and specifically how an adjustment helps with your posture. I'm excited to help you with posture. Just give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Tap on the link below if there's one. Thanks.